Hello, welcome to Moist Nougat. Not a lot of energy. Hung my Christmas lights and kind of wiped. So I'm just doing something kind of fun and stupid. Doing fidget toys. And now, I know this isn't technically a fidget toy. It's a Rubik's Cube. But I think this is like one of the first fidget toys. You don't have to actually solve it. You can just fidget with the fucking thing. But they're fun to fidget with. But fidget toys became this big thing. I remember when these came out. The fidget spinners. And I don't know, I saw the kids all had them and I needed one. Had to have one. Had to have one. So I picked one up, I can't remember, probably at Walmart or something. And when I was working for a place where I had to drive to Myrtle Beach every week, gave me something to fart around with when I was driving down the highway to Myrtle Beach and back. But then I started acquiring other ones. People were gifting them to me. Now this is a stretchy one and you can just make different shapes with it. Kind of cool. Then of course I got this one. Which one? This one's really cool. It's got these buttons on top that you can push. It's got like a light switch that you can push. Then it's got like these little spinner things and a ball, a little ball bearing in there. Thought this one was pretty cool. It's also got like a little thing that spins on this side. So you can really fuck around with this one. It's got a bunch of shit on it. This one my mother-in-law got me for Christmas one year. And it's basically just keyboard keys. Some of them click. This one's pretty neato too. And then, my mom got me this one a couple years ago. Heavy duty metal thing that you can flip around and mess around with. I don't mess with these very often. Just every once in a while I get them out. Fuck around with them. Fucking exciting, I know. But I made a promise to myself that I'm going to do a video every week. So, there it is. There's my fucking video for this week. Fucking fidget toys. Peace.